Boss, yung Suzuki Espresso ba mare-recommend nyo as first car? Sige, Ayalex, Bella, shoutout sa'yo, sagutin natin. So, Suzuki Espresso, one of the best options as a first car. I think siya yung pinakamura na hatchback or pinaka-starting talaga sa lahat ng segments. Siya yung pinaka reliable, I can say. Next to that is yung pinaka-rival niya na si Toyota Wigo para sa akin. So, having that price point and a brand recognition, Suzuki, trusted brand, I really think that kung ako lang personally, if not the Toyota Wigo, I'll personally go for an Espresso because one, of course, the looks, sobrang pasado. Looks like a mini Jimny, if you know that. Parang pang off-road talaga yung tindig niya. Aesthetic, bagay na bagay din sa mga misis natin. And then, most of all, yung pinaka-strength niya is yung kanyang very high na ground clearance. And then, when it comes to the interior and the features, it's good enough. Pwede na. Maganda rin tignan overall yung interior. Yung build quality, of course, you can't complain because of the price. But again, overall, with the feeling, the vibe, and what you get for the price, around 600,000 yata as of the making of this video, close to 700,000. So very okay as a first car. So check out my videos about the Suzuki Espresso and the playlist as well dun sa YouTube channel natin.